Here we are at VSM Sports Card Outlet in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, about to open an Absolute Football box 2016 with the rookies. Now let's see if we can get anybody good. Okay, this is the first mini box out of the box. And it comes in a clear cellophane pack. On top, Matt Ryan. Now let's open that up. Matt Ryan. Duke Johnson. Cam Newton insert. Nice. Supreme. Okay, and we've got a Cardell Jones autograph and football piece, jersey. Another Cam Newton numbered card. This is a good box. Just the mini box alone. It's Absolute Football. Looks nice. This is the second mini box out of the box. Jordan Reed on the front. The Redskins. Reed, LaShawn McCoy with his new team, the Buffalo Bills, and Jeremy Hill, insert red zone. Autograph is Paul Perkins, and jersey football, Ben Roethlisberger.
Number 25.
Okay, numbered. Okay, and the last mini box out of this box. See how we do. We've got David Johnson on the front from the Cardinals. Jamal Charles, numbered. Keanu Neal, rookie card. Keith Marshall. I thought it was going to be the Odell Beckham, but here's the Odell Beckham, but it is a jersey. That's great.
Pretty nice.
So overall, I would have to say this is a pretty good box.